If you are dealing with a rat, cockroach, and other insects infestation in your home or garden, and you prefer to avoid the use of dangerous poisons, I have a safe and effective solution that my father shared with me. This home remedy is completely safe and does not involve the use of toxic substances. To eliminate both types of pests safely and effectively, you can use a simple home remedy. For this trick, add 3 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate into a container, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix all the ingredients evenly. When mice consume this mixture, the flour expands in the stomach due to the absorption of liquid, which can cause digestive problems. This is a natural and very effective solution. It is a wonderful advice for anyone who faces this problem at home. I'm pretty scared, but this helped me a lot without having to call an exterminator or use toxic products. To complete this mixture, we will use 4 slices of cucumber. Just cut 4 slices of cucumber, about the width of a finger. We will apply the previous mixture on each of the cucumber slices and place them in places where cockroaches and rats usually appear, such as in the kitchen or living room. The digestion process will last approximately 1 hour, so you must be patient. When rats consume this mixture, it expands in the stomach due to the yeast present in the sodium bicarbonate. They will not be able to digest it properly and will die in a lethal way. This method is also very effective against cockroaches, as these insects cannot tolerate the smell of cucumber and will avoid areas that have this fragrance. Cockroaches that are already near the cucumber slices will feel attracted by the sugar and will consume the mixture. The sodium bicarbonate will be lethal for these insects, causing them to fall face down. One of the reasons I like to use this combination is because it is very safe, as there is no risk of accidental poisoning for children or pets in the home. In addition, the elimination is effective and fast. Rats and cockroaches will feel attracted by the sebum. These tips represent natural and economic alternatives to traditional methods of plague extermination.